What is it? Whoa! Wait! What'd you get, Isaac?
Wow! It's always walking.
Did it?
Look!
Oh.
Look at these.
Wow! Are those little spin tops?
These are little tongs. Look.
Oh, let's see.
The tongs tail wow! A sucker tail. Another sucker.
Wow!
Eat it.
That'll be for after dinner. We'll eat it after dinner. Hold on.
Ooh, what
See what else is in there. Look. Okay. Look what else is in there. Whoa, Isaac.
Yeah.
Can you tell Aunt Suze thank you?
Thank you.
Say, I love you.
Love you.
I miss you. And we have found a buddy fruit.
Yay!